Hello everyone and welcome to an introduction to Project Ascension. Let me start off by telling you who we are. Ascension is a community with semi-pro to professional ambitions in competitive League of Legends. What we also share is our perspective on fundamental issues within the scene. These are hurdles such as the youth of the game, with League being constantly reinterpreted, winning strategies innovated, and everyone seemingly wanting to win the game differently. This leads to teams being unsynergized and, more vitally, potential of players and coaches remaining untouched and unseen. Furthermore, we see problems like a lack of effective methods and structuring within organizations. We see instant gratification in and outside the rift, whether it is a choice made for dopamine over victory in game, or organizations rushing to rebuild rosters every split anew with no chance for long-term development. And we see too much thinking inside the box. Everyone just seems to be doing what they see being done and having been done. In our mind, giving way to creative ideas and maintaining a healthy level of self-reflection are essential to the improvement process. So what is Ascension? Project Ascension is the collection of concepts which mean to facilitate an environment where talented, motivated, and dedicated players, coaches, and functionaries can individually and collectively improve to a semi-professional to professional level. Our concepts are based on years of experience within the scene and the issues we see, as well as months of theorizing, practical testing, reflection, and perfecting of new methods and systems. One of the ways in which we want to measure our success is by entering at least two teams filled with our best players into the German Prime League. While we are no rush, our aspired level is the second and ultimately first division. For you to better understand of how we plan to surpass our competition, I would like to briefly introduce our 7 pillars of success. Starting right with professionalism. While amateurs obsess over results, professionals obsess over perfecting their methods. The results will follow. Next is the right mindset. We know that we will only achieve our aspirations when everyone is pulling in the same direction. Multifaceted coaching. A good player consists of a variety of skills and attributes such as communication, playstyle diversity, attitude, and many more. To make a better player means to coach among all dimensions of team competence. Multi-phase tryouts. Our trialing process consists of 3 distinct phases, each with their own purpose. We use many original methods to make sure that a symbiotic relationship between the applicant and Ascension can be ensured. One of our most vital and dynamic pillars, our original game philosophy. As we said before, a core issue within the scene is players wanting to win the game differently. Within Ascension, we focus on perfecting fundamentals, expanding knowledge on a multi-role basis, and collectively understanding the optimal path to victory at all points in a game. And yes, this includes draft. Long-term basis. Well, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? To ensure our success, we plan to operate with players and coaches on an extended schedule over multiple splits. And lastly, pursuit of perfection. Creating an environment for optimal improvement requires many systems in place. Among them is our two-team approach, assuring better practice in various forms. Every player and coach in Ascension receives the same opportunities to improve, such as access to a semantically coherent coaching plan, perpetual and vibrant theory crafting sessions, and an ambitious community with a shared hunger for winning. We are Project Ascension, and we are open for tryouts. We hope to see you soon.